Hey guys, Amy here with Sublimation and More and Hellbound Company, and in this video tutorial I'm just showing you how to press these new leatherette photo frames I got in. These are really nice. They'll come in a package like this. They have a leather insert with a leather border. The insert can be pressed for sublimation. So here's what the insert looks like. It'll come with a sticky for you to the adhesive for you to adhere it. These are really nice frames, and these will, I think, will be really good for those special guys, the hard to find guys gifts, you know, because there's not a lot of sublimate. I feel like sublimation is woman favored, you know, but this is one gift I think would be really great for guys, especially for them to put in their offices and that kind of stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and press that now. So I already have my template, and like with all my other products, you'll receive a template along with your purchase to be able to press. You'll get it in PSD, which is Photoshop, and you'll also get it in PNG version. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to line up the insert to the template. And I'm just going to take a little bit of tape and tape it. Actually, I think I'm going to go ahead and use adhesive spray as soon as I can find it. What do I do with it? I'm going to use my Eco Mist adhesive spray that I got from Heat Press Nation. Link will be in the description of the video. And all you want is just a little tiny spritz. Just a little tiny bit. And then we're just going to align this on here evenly. Okay. All right, now we're going to press with paper face down, substrate face up. We're going to press at 400 degrees for 30 seconds using medium pressure. I'm using my Heat Press Nation 16 by 20 swing away press. It's a great press, guys. It's very affordable. I like the big size of it, the full 16 by 20. If you're interested in a new or in the market for a new press or haven't gotten one yet, I highly recommend this one. You'll find the link in the description of the video. So again, for 30 seconds. And wow, that came out fabulous. Amazing color. Okay, so we're gonna let it cool for a minute, and then we're going to apply it onto the sticky. Now, one thing's for sure is you might want it just a tad bit hot to get it to really stick to the sticky very well, so I wouldn't let it cool too much. So just to where you can touch it. I find that if you adhere hot things to the adhesive, it really stays a lot better. Plus it'll help it flatten out. So we're just gonna adhere it. There we go. And that's a really nice photo frame. You can turn the back to hold it like that. There you go. So you can do this photo frame either way. You can do it long ways or this way. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thanks for watching.